Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Z Fold 5. The Z Fold 5 is anticipated.
The Z Fold 4 is a lot of fun to use, but every time I take it up, my hands get a good workout from the thickness of it. Perhaps you felt the same way when you used it.
Absolutely.
The Galaxy Z Fold 5, on the other hand, will seem more compact and lighter due to its gapless design. Without further ado, let's talk about the Z Fold 5 leaks. Display. Ice Universe, a reliable leaker, claims that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will continue using a 6.2-inch external display. He tweeted, "Unfortunately, I can confirm that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 external screen is still 6.2. This would make the cover screen the same size as the outer display of the Samsung Z Fold 4. We were hoping for a little enlargement of the screen to improve its readability, but it seems this will not occur. Since the outer display of a Galaxy Z Fold is so tall and narrow when folded, it might be difficult to text on or reach the far corners of the screen. Samsung seems to have recognized this by slightly reducing the length and widening the height of the outer display from the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. If Samsung made the Galaxy Z Fold 5 shorter and broader again, it wouldn't be difficult for the company to keep a 6.2-inch display.
Yeah, really.
Also, Samsung is considering a water drop hinge design for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in order to improve the appearance of the inside display. But more on that later. S Pen. There is no built-in storage for the S Pen. However, if Samsung were to release a Galaxy Z Fold 5, it could integrate the S Pen and make it convenient to carry or dock with the tablet. This might make taking notes, doodling, and editing documents on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 easier. This may not be necessary for all users, but it may help Samsung sell more of its Z Fold devices to the kind of hard-working professionals they say they're targeting. Earlier, we heard that Z Fold 5 would come with an S Pen, but not all wishes come true. While it would be fantastic if the Z Fold 5 included a space for Samsung's S Pen, the business has apparently hit some roadblocks and is compelled to abandon the plan. While Samsung was successful in incorporating the S Pen into the foldable mode, the company ran into problems when the device was opened. Samsung also attempted to reduce the S Pen's thickness, but this did not prove successful either. Disappointing news for those anticipating it on Z Fold 5.
I am sorry.
Anyway, we promise to keep you up to date as new information becomes available. So please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Hinge. The Z Fold 5's hinge will not be similar to its forerunners in any way. Samsung claims that the Z Fold 5 is the first folding phone to get an IP67 grade for resistance to dust. The scuttlebutt has claimed that the upcoming smartphone will include a raindrop-shaped hinge to keep dust out of the delicate internals. The new and improved hinge will allow for a completely seamless construction, which will boost the product's visual appeal and make it more resistant to dust and grime. The hinge's ability to allow the phone to fold completely flat and avoid dust buildup inside might be a contributing factor.
Wow. That's awesome.
While the Galaxy Z Fold 5's actual thickness hasn't altered much, the gapless design should make it seem considerably thinner and more pocketable. There is a price to pay for slenderness. If Samsung has perfected the crease-free, gapless folding phone that is also much thinner and sleeker, there would still be some drawbacks from a use standpoint. For instance, because of the limited amount of room in the chassis, the battery capacity would likely decrease. The expense of even a simple repair or replacement skyrockets when the inside is packed too tightly. Camera. Don't expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to have a 200 megapixels module like the one for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are now 3 cameras available on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, including a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 10 megapixel telephoto shooter, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter. The selfie camera's outside shell packs a stunning 10 megapixels, while the hidden camera's resolution is a more modest 4 megapixels. The Z Fold 5's camera will be the same. But perhaps the AI camera qualities the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 brought to the S23 Ultra will be carried on to the Z Fold 5. Oh, and yes, the Z Fold 5 will have the same chipset as the S23 Ultra, and we will discuss that next. Performance. It is possible that an upgraded version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU will be used to power the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 2023. While Samsung included a taskbar in the Z Fold 4's user interface, you can anticipate seeing some new One UI adjustments that are customized for the Z Fold 5's inner display. In addition, Samsung has indicated that it plans to produce software with improved adaptations for 4:3 inner displays. This is something that we truly hope will be realized. Release date. It's still too early to make educated guesses about when the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be introduced in 2023, but late summer or early fall seems like a good bet. We haven't heard anything official about the pricing yet, but we expect it to be the same $1,799 as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Yet the additional camera capabilities might lead to a rise.
Those things look really expensive.
Hence, to be on the safe side, you should have around $2,200 saved up before it makes an appearance. The Z Fold 5 will be fantastic, and it seems to have most of the features seen on the Z Fold 4. The release date is still a long way off, so we shouldn't jump to any conclusions just yet. The Z Fold 5 will also make its debut with the Z Flip 5. The Z Flip's cover screen will be enhanced with new technology, among other cool features. This means that you may access your social media profiles without ever leaving the cover screen. For more information on this, watch our next video.